If you're looking for some juicy turkey wings like these, let your uncle show you how to make it, shawty. I'm using 2 jumbo turkey wings. We're gonna split them at the joints. Let your knife do the work, clean your wings, and then now it's time to bring that flavor. Add some oil to your turkey wings, and then for flavor, I'm using that Delta Dust. The flavor is like if Papa Do's made turkey wings. Cajun flavor that's bussin', not spicy, but it's definitely got that kick. To get the flavor, all you gotta do is go to UncleDibbz.com. Rub that flavor all over those wings, then give them a little poke just so we can get that Cajun flavor all throughout those wings. In an oven-safe dish, add your wings, some onion, a little bit of garlic. I'm joking, a lot of garlic, and then some thyme. Next, add a cup of broth, and then this is my secret right here, some cold beer. Add a cup of that, and then go ahead and save the rest for yourself. Cover with some foil, and then bake in the oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour, then uncovered for 20 minutes. Do yourself a favor, make these wings. Full recipe in the caption, or just go to UncleDibbz.com. That's good, shorty.